Hi, I'm Marcello. My father, Antonio Battisti, was the founder of Roma Building Restoration, and he had a dream of leaving a successful business to his two boys. Early on, we learned his hard work ethics, and now, 40 years later, my brother and I have taken Roma Building Restoration to a whole new level.
Roma started in 1981. I started back in the early 90s. I started off with my dad, which is one of my biggest mentors. And I remember as a little kid watching my dad every morning wake up early in the morning and head his way off to work. But I remember watching him come home at late hours of the night. Very, very hardworking man, had a very big passion with what he did. And I remember on weekends him taking me with him to the job sites, because I started getting intrigued at a younger age myself. He taught me a lot about what clients like to see these days, and it's helped me a lot. It's helped me develop to who I am today.
Hi, I am Dan Zahareth, supervisor for the BC division. I am pleased and happy to be working here in this company. They have been treating me well. Currently, we are working in Cobalt, Port Moody. We're doing deck repair and traffic coating.
My name is Claude. I'm a site supervisor for Roma Building Restoration. So I've been working with the company for 20 years now. The main reason that I stayed with the company is that we just feel like we're in a family here. The good thing about our company is that when it comes to solve a problem, it's all hands in deck. I know for a fact that both owners, they learned a lot from their father and they just follow his footsteps. That, I think, it's the main reason that Roma is the company that is today.
This company has a corporate infrastructure and is rooted in family values and taking a genuine pride in a job well done. There really isn't a hierarchy that exists here. We manage projects side by side, and from the worker to the president, we are all in it together.
I believe the steps to success in this business is to keep an open mind, and by keeping an open mind, you're always learning more and more in this business. And that's what I see. And a big part of my success too is my family. Having a strong family at home, a strong supporter being my wife. There was a lot of nights where I never came home due to estimating, jobs being done at night. So having that strong family-oriented part at home has allowed me to bring the same sort of structure to this business and know that together, if we work together as a family, it works well.
I'm in the construction business in the last 20 years, and this is one of the best companies I can work with. I like the organization and all the communication, which is the key to operate and run a construction business. The most what I like about Roma is they're treating everyone as a family, and they respect all the workers, project managers, supervisors. And the second thing what I mostly like, which is really important, is they care about safety to ensure that everyone gets home safely at the end of the day. And I think this is the key to create a strong team.
Hi, my name is Roman. I work in for Roma Building Restoration 12 years. And on this job site, we are doing masonry brick repairs. My role as a foreman is to ensure safety for workers and people around and finish job site at schedule. I like to work in that company because here is a very good communication between supervisors, foremen, and company owners. We are here like a one big family. I think Roma is the best company to work for.
So the reason of level of comfort that we give to our customers is because we've become core certified recently. And that is a level of safety that shows our customers and our Roma employees that we do care about them. And we care about how they work day to day and how we maintain the job sites in an orderly manner and make sure that everybody goes home safely at night. I mean, our goal has always been family first, and we have tried to strive for the fact that we all work together more than we see our families at home. And you know what? At the end of the day, we all do have a family we all want to go home to. So that's very important to us here at Roma.
One of our first members that joined our team was our senior estimator, Alessandro. I grew up with him, and he lived across the street from me, so I kind of watched him grow up.
My name is Alessandro and I'm the senior estimator. I remember when I first started, I faced some challenges being new to the industry. I've learned a lot being here and continue to do so with the people I work with. Being here for over 15 years, I've had the opportunity to see Roma grow into a prominent and well-known business in the industry.
Well, Roma is a place to be because they have the foresight and the courage to have a vision. They take pride in projects that have value. The owners of Roma are leaders in the industry, and their main objective is to provide value to their clients.
Our Roma team is very devoted to watching us grow. We all work hard. Our employees all work very hard to meet customer satisfaction, just as much as my brother and I do. It's a goal. We've become a family unit in saying that, and everybody has the same end goal, and it's to be successful, and customer satisfaction is key.
Honesty, open-minded, willingness. They're things that allow me to help with working with owners and landlords and condos in our industry. My dad was always someone to be honest in this industry, and I followed those footsteps. Well, I was at a meeting today, and I'm in this meeting and I'm watching this person talk about how they grew up with their father in this business as a landlord. And she was open and honest with me, and I could sense a little bit of fears in how to repair her building. When I get someone that's honest like that, you want to help them, right? It's like, okay, we don't have to get there today. Here's what I've seen other landlords do that have worked. And I kind of guided her through this process. It was that part about just being honest with the client. It's amazing. It's amazing when you can give someone that guidance because you have some experience behind you.
Hi everyone, my name is Gurinder. I'm a project manager here with Roma Building Restoration in the BC division. I've been with Roma for just over a year. I came from another general contractor. The reason I made the transition to Roma is I can see us growing definitely here in BC, and I've seen it over the last 6 months. When I first met the people in the organization, I felt the family environment and the support system was great, and it's been nothing but amazing, and I look forward to what the future holds.
We are a family here. I'm so proud of my boys. They work so hard to grow the business. I like the way they want to help people all the time. My husband was so proud of them. I wish he could see them now.
If someone were to have asked me, where would you be in the next 10, 15 years as a small kid growing that business with my dad? I would have never been able to say I'd be here today. Because of the team that we've been able to put together, we've been able to expand to BC. We've been able to become core certified. We've been able to expand in Halifax. These are certain goals that, I would have never been able to envision. But because of all our visions together as a team, here we are today, with all these expansions.
One thing is for sure, that Roma, it's in this business for the long run. I'm gonna see you guys again next year, and the next year, and the one after that.
We've come a long way, and I'm excited to see what tomorrow brings.
Viva Roma!
I'm confident with our amazing team that the future of Roma will continue to be successful.
To watch this expansion grow, you know, the team, and it's incredible. I think that's one thing our dad would be very proud of.